everybody, how's it going? It's Subscription Sisters. Coming back to you with another video today.
Right back at ya.
Oh yeah. Alright, so we have a new box for you today. You ready?
Yeah, which one is it?
Alright, we're
doing 4 new boxes, so I'm excited too.
Allure beauty box. Okay, I'm so excited for this.
I've almost ordered this like a dozen times.
Right? Okay, so for all you BoxyCharm lovers out there, this is right in that same category as like Ipsy, Birchbox, BoxyCharm, all of those.
Yes.
Everybody and everything I've seen online says that BoxyCharm is the best, and I thought, well, I can't really jump in on that commentary because I haven't tried Allure at all, and I have not tried a couple of the other ones. So, we're going to find out today what we've got going on.
We'll do Ipsy for you guys. I've done it before, and I cancel every time, so I think you know how I feel about it.
Allure Beauty Box is $15 a month with free shipping, cancel at any time, all that good stuff. Yes. And it sends beauty products to you to try out. Now, one thing I will say, this box, it's got some weight to it. I really liked how it's got some heaviness, so I know there's going to be some good things in here. So, let's see what we have.
I like the shiny red packaging.
It's very polished. The packaging is very good.
Allure
I love it.
Beauty.
Yeah, you do this.
Of course I do.
Alright, so I'll open this up. This is how it looks when you open it. I love there's even like little fun fetty strips in here.
Oh, it says you get a new member mystery gift in this box because you're a new member.
Oh, cool.
So one item is extra that you wouldn't normally get.
Okay, cool. So first thing I have is Brita watch. It's $30 off your next order, free shipping and free returns. So there's like a gift code in here. I won't show you the back of it because I want to use the gift code. So,
well,
anyways,
yeah,
but I don't know. Yeah, that's kind of cool.
Yeah, it's interesting. I mean, if it's a $500 watch, what's $30?
I know. Then I'll share the coupon code. You guys can all use it.
You can all have it.
Okay, so first thing I have is Juice Beauty, the organic solution. This is a cream shadow stick, it says.
It's not maybe that's the extra thing because that's not in here.
The one thing I pick out is the extra.
I don't know. That's not in here. Probably, so.
We'll open this up.
Oh, this reminds me of BoxyCharm.
I know. The makeup addict over here is like biting at the bit to get on here. Okay. Oh, interesting.
Important for external use only.
Don't ingest this, you guys.
I mean, where else are you going to put it?
So we've got, I don't know, is this?
This is the shade.
Oh. Okay.
This is the shade I don't know.
So it's not a fine point. What is this supposed to do?
Cream shadow stick. You put it on your eyelid. The shadow. It's an eyeshadow.
Oh, it's like, oh, okay. Wow, it comes right off. It's really waxy.
Well, it's kind of their thing as I'm reading it in here. They're very all natural. Yep.
Honestly, this looks like a crayon.
Sunflower seed oil is the #1 ingredient in it.
This is what it did.
And then sunflower seed wax, canuba wax. There's a few different types. I probably said that wrong.
It looks
Shea
like
butter.
a crayon.
It's, yeah, basically just some butters and wax with some pigment, and it looks gray. Charcoal.
Yeah, but
Silver.
I'm not. And look at it. I mean, one quick wipe and you already lose half your pigment.
The tough thing with this shade is you can really only use it as like a crease shade to kind of darken it up. It's not, I mean, I don't know.
I don't really like my free gift.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
Okay. Next!
Next, we have Nexxus. Oh, this is a pair. We have Nexxus shampoo and conditioner.
Damage healing shampoo and conditioner.
Yes. So these are like deluxe sample sizes, I would say. They're not a sample, not a full size.
These are travel size.
Are these travel?
I mean,
3 fluid ounce?
Anytime I went to Walmart and bought a travel size, it's this,
okay.
You know, because remember it has to be less than 4 ounces, so 3.5 ounces.
Oh,
this is,
I don't fly enough to remember that.
Yeah, so you could take this on your carry-on on a plane. So yeah,
this
is
is
good
repair
size.
level 5, so this must be really good.
And
Nexxus is a professional brand too.
Like a full bottle of it is like $13 and $18, so this is about a quarter of a full bottle. So
wow,
it's a decent amount of product here.
Yeah, there's enough in here to try this several times, and even with all of our long hair, this is really good. I'm kind of excited to try that.
Yes. Nice.
All right, next we have this lip sleeping mask. Here's our little product.
Overnight lip treatment. It's supposed to stay on your lips
my
for like
goodness.
6 hours. That's why they recommend it overnight.
Like, it's all hollowed out underneath, so there's not a lot of product in this.
Having said that, it's for your lips.
I guess you don't need
So
much
you
product.
don't need much product. And
Why am I smelling this? I have a cold. I can't even smell it.
Well, it's supposed to be sweet like berries.
Is it?
I
Is it?
I don't smell anything. I'm serious.
Oh. Well,
Oh,
makes
no,
two
I
of
do.
us.
No, I do. You had to rub into it. You had to get off the top layer.
I still can't
You
smell
don't smell
anything.
anything?
No, but see, I have this
It
cold
smells
and
like
congestion,
sweet
so.
berry bubble gum.
Is that good?
I like it.
Oh, okay. How much is this?
$20.
For this?
I mean, I can't see the ounce. How many ounces is that? 0.7?
0.1.
Okay, so 0.7 ounces is $20. So this is a seventh of the full size.
Okay.
So that would be a couple
I
bucks.
was like, $20.
That would be like
for
$2.
this? Okay, that's better.
I have a feeling I'm taking that one.
Yeah, I don't want it. Okay.
I like it.
Next we have Vinosource Moisturizing Sorbet. This is just like a lotion. Oh, here, let me show you guys what this is.
Lightweight moisturizer. Ugh, I can't speak.
Oh, for your face?
Yes.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, and it's an expensive product. The brand itself is pretty expensive. I don't know how to pronounce this. I'm not going to.
I can smell a little something from it.
Yeah, it smells like tapioca.
Oh, well then I'm glad I don't smell it.
It's okay. It's expensive. It's $39 for the full product, which I can't see.
You know what
how many
I'm loving
ounces.
from this? These feel very upscale, like very much like Macy's, like, you know, higher end products that you're getting to try smaller versions of and not spend the full price on, which is kind of nice.
Wasn't it?
We have Cosmetics Light Stick Illuminator. Illumination! You guys like the Minions? I love the Minions.
It's in the shade Hello.
Hello?
No, Halo.
Oh. Halo! I knew I was doing something for
I don't know her. I don't know her.
Oh yes, here is our packaging as I'm just totally opening this. We've got a little black tube here. Oh, it makes that sound that I love so much.
Well, and what they kind of like, sorry, I love reading, and this is like a full catalog of each product, so I'm very happy in my own little world.
It's like a little magazine.
Yes, so this is a highlighter, but they've designed it to be more as like a quick stick, so you don't have to spend time like applying highlighter. It's like 10 seconds and it's on. Yeah, so it's just a quick highlighter. That's all it's really supposed to be.
Okay.
It's a subtle
Just
sheen
kinda
without
see.
being shiny.
It is a subtleness. I mean, it's like
Yep.
a highlighter, so.
And it's not supposed to tug your skin or anything, which is tough because you don't want to tug around like the eyes.
I like this though. I will use this. I will work with
Yeah, it's
this.
not enough for me. I'm like,
She likes to have a lot of shimmer with it, so this is definitely subtle for you. Okay.
For me.
Last thing, we have a stick. Liquid eyeliner black. Skinny. Looks like it's felt tip, so yeah. Okay. I like liquid eyeliner.
Oh, and it's a full size.
Yeah.
Hey, this is $22.
Okay. And we said this is $15 a month for this box.
I wouldn't use this personally just because it doesn't, like, in order to get the very fine point, you have to be, like, sitting it straight on.
Yeah, and you can't smudge it because those felt tips sometimes will like bend and then you've got this like weird
my
thing.
eyeliner, I doubt they can tell, but my eyeliner's too thick today, and it's because I used a thicker felt tip brush like this, and I don't like them. I prefer really thin points like
Really, really thin.
that's just me.
But no, this
But
is decent.
if
I
you'll
mean,
use it, it's a good product.
yeah, I like that it's a full size thing.
And I just got like random like black lines.
So we've got what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 products in here, and what you said, one was an extra. So
And the one that I don't like is the extra.
Yeah,
I won't
this
use
is
that.
weird.
You won't use that. Nobody's gonna use that.
But overall, I think this is a fun box.
Me
I
too.
like it. There's not really a theme to it, but
Did you say $15?
$15 for this.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think this is good. It is a little more expensive than the other beauty boxes, like the Walmart beauty box. It's more than that. It's more than the Target boxes. Not as much as BoxyCharm, and I think this fits well in between both of those. It's better than the Walmart. Not as
Yeah,
good
I
as
think
BoxyCharm. It's right in the middle.
It's better products than the Walmart box gets.
Yes.
And It's the same type of products as BoxyCharm, but they're smaller sizes, and it's really only a savings of like $5. So
yeah. So I
still think
it's bad.
it's good though, and I think this makes it worth your purchase alone.
Yes,
because this is a full size eyeliner.
And depending on if you guys use this little gift card that they sent too, it may be even worth more.
And if you want coupon codes, there's coupon codes, of course, always.
So
Always in
overall 1 to 5. What do you think?
It's a 5-star. I think it's worth it.
I think this is definitely worth it. You definitely get your money's worth out of this. You got some fun stuff. So all
I'm
right.
not disappointed with life.
This is great for a first time review of Allure Beauty Box. 5 stars is awesome. So let us know down below what you guys think of this box. If you guys liked it, if you didn't, if we should keep it going. I don't know. Maybe we should just stick with BoxyCharm and not try any of the other ones. I don't know. What do you guys think? Okay.
No, I'm just so in love with BoxyCharm. I'm sorry.
Make sure you do all of the things as well. You guys have your homework and work cut out for you. So make sure you do it. Until next time, we'll see you guys later.